What's up guys, welcome to the next video in the WordPress SEO, social media and traffic generation course. And this will be a fairly quick video on how to index your site. What indexing your site means is basically when you have created a new site, Google doesn't know about it yet. And Google has these things called web crawlers that crawl out URLs to add them to the index. And once it's indexed by Google, it means that Google knows your site is there and your site is in the Google search engine database. But the thing is, new sites will most likely not be in a Google search engine database. It will take a while for Google crawlers and Google bots to find your site. The only way you can get SEO traffic is if your website is indexed. You cannot get SEO traffic to your website if Google doesn't know your website exists. So this is called indexing your site. And the way you index your site is using something called the IMTalk website submitter. I'm just going to let you watch behind my shoulder. What this submitter does is basically go to a whole bunch of whois type sites. A whois type site is something like this, and it submits your website in here. So Google can find your website through these whois, because these whois type sites are really often crawled through Google and through Google bots. So that's basically how this indexing thing works. So the next thing you want to do in order for you to index a site, the technical stuff isn't really that important. All you need to know is this next part, which I'm going to show you right now. What you want to do is head on over to google.com and search for IMTalk website submitter and click on the first link. And then what this does is this goes to 1,800 websites, 1,800 who.is websites, and creates a website profile for you. And this will basically get your website indexed by Google within minutes, not within minutes, but within hours, or at least a few days tops. It's really easy to do and it's really convenient. So what you want to do is go ahead and enter your website, and then keyword is optional. Limit the number of created pages. I'm just going to do all the way 1805. We need HTTP before that. And then submit. So what this does is basically creates these pages at a whole bunch of whois sites. And if you open one of these pages, you'll see what I'm talking about. Oops, this page hasn't been made yet, or it takes a while for it to update again. As you can see, whois that lookup, it shows the IP address. It basically gets free backlinks. It gets 1,800 backlinks to your site. These backlinks are not powerful, but they're good enough for Google to search your site and Google to index it within their databases. And all you gotta do is basically leave this page open. It takes like around 20 minutes. See, as you can see, it's on 33, 34. It works quite fast. That's all you really need to do. And then once this is done, you just wait a few hours or a few days and your site is indexed by Google. Another way you can do it is going for ping services. My URL, ping my URL, just search for ping my URL. There, and the same thing happens. Submit your URL to 1,400 different websites, so www. So there are a whole bunch of services that offer this, and then submit. And of course, it'd be a little do not reload. Okay, as you can see, it goes through here. It basically creates a whole bunch of backlinks to get your stuff indexed by Google. And not all these will work, as you can see 404, but the ones that do is more than enough to get your site indexed by Google. So don't worry if not all of them work. Some of them will. The success rate isn't that great, but it's good enough to get it indexed. Like this one works fine. Of course, there is Graffiti says it creates a backlink to your website. It's perfect. So there are a whole bunch of variety of tools. You can use Pinger, I think, another Pinger. Mass Pinger, and then URL www.graffititest.com, graffititest.com, and then mass ping. Keyword, I'll just do WordPress theme, and then mass ping. And then as you can see, this will take a while to work as well. This one has gone up to 100 sites. This one has gone up to another 50. So basically, you create around 150 backlinks to your site in a matter of a few minutes. And then you want to keep your browser open and find as many of these little ping sites you can find and submit your website there. And that's it. Within a few days, your website will be submitted by Google. That's it for this video. It's a pretty short video, but that's all you really need. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.